by the beach on a sunny day. All the animals come to play. Waves go splash and seagulls call. It's a seaside party for one and all.
Monkey builds a castle tall. Elephant sprays water for all.
Zebra runs where the seashells shine, drawing hearts in a sandy line. Giraffe puts sunscreen on her nose. Hippo splashes.
There he goes!
Parrot sings a tune
So sweet, while crabs dance near their feet.
The ocean sparkles bright and wide. Dolphins jump with joyful pride. They race the waves and spin so high, painting rainbows in the sky.
Lion naps beneath a tree, dreaming soft of the deep blue sea.
Turtle hums a sleepy rhyme,
Counting waves in perfect time.
When the sun begins to sink, they pack their toys and have a drink.
Goodbye, beach.
They laugh and say,